My name is Jenny Seiler, and I'm a full-time sales agent with Coldwell Banker King Thompson. I grew up here in Grove City and have been a long-time resident of Central Ohio, which means you can count on my knowledge of the area. I've been a realtor now for over 10 years, representing both buyers and sellers. You can depend on me to listen to your wants and needs, to know and understand the market, to make myself available to communicate with you anytime, and to be there to guide you through every step of the transaction. I take my job seriously. I'm professional, flexible, and dependable. For me, selling real estate is not just about the sale. It's providing a service and developing lifelong relationships with my clients. When you team up with Coldwell Banker King Thompson and me, you're going to get the resources of a large firm and the personal attention you'd expect from a friend. If you're ready to buy or sell a home, then give me a call today and let's get started.